Dear students, greetings for the day. Today we will study about designing industrial kitchen layout. Dear students, greetings for the day. Today we will study about designing industrial kitchen layout. The way in which the parts of kitchen in a hotel is arranged, called kitchen layout. A kitchen layout should be designed to have a triangle flow from the refrigerator to the sink and to the stove. From the smallest kitchen to one on a grand scale, all kitchens are equipped with the same basic appliances. The significance of a kitchen layout is to arrange everything within a functional path. But the plan or layout of a kitchen will be determined by the catering policy of the establishment. The plan is often limited by space availability. Every hotel has a foundation ingredient on which the other departments of the hotel are based. So, kitchen layout is very important proportion for hotel. Walk-up. In a kitchen layout, the portion of the walk-up is preserved for keeping fresh, green vegetable and raw materials or ingredients. It must be a cold room with AC. In Indian, there followed different types of methods of cooking. Indian foods are spicy, fried and tasty. Tandoor is correlated with Indian. There are different types of tandoor. Traditional method used is spit roasting. Continental is not spicy like Indian. It's served mainly light food. Foods are easily prepared as no many ingredients are needed for spice. Chinese is like as Thai, but it is mainly related with fresh vegetables and half-cooked food as they looked for increasing the palatability of the food. Mexican and Thai. Mexican foods are spicier than the continental. Thai is correlated with Mexican and it is based on Thailander food. Utensil and wash-up. The dirty and late food and dishes are stored in utensil and those are cleaned in the wash-up room. It should be operated cleanly. Utensil dry, clean dishes and equipments are stored and kept in order to the utensil rack. Halwai. All types of sweets and sweet card are getting from Halwai. Pantry and dispensary bar, salad, snacks, juice and various fast foods are served in pantry. As the name suggests, all the short orders are executed from here. These will include sandwiches, ice creams and beverages. Quick service equipment, such as toasters, juicers and shakers will be provided. Dispensary bar served all types of non-alcoholic beverage that hot and cold drinks. It is opened for 24 hours. Bakery and confectionery. Bakery is a place where the baking things are made in present of heat with the dry atmosphere. Confectionery. The control of costs and quality of desserts and breads sold in hotels is very important for successful operation. In a small hotel, this will be a corner of the main kitchen, whereas in big hotels, this will be a separate fully equipped department. There are both hot and cold section for working. Storeroom. All the necessaries or raw materials which are very essential and important are stored in the storeroom. The stock should be so that all things are available when needed. The cold room. There are two types of cold rooms: negative cold room, freezer, with an ideal temperature of -18 degrees Celsius. Positive cold room, walk-in, with a temperature of 3 degrees Celsius -5 degrees Celsius. Vegetable pre-preparation area. The work here consists of washing and cleaning, paring and trimming, cutting, chopping, etc. The butchery. It is an air-conditioned room for meat pre-preparation. Bone saws, weighing scales and butcher's blocks will be provided. The butchery must be situated close to the freezer. Non-slip flooring is essential and fly catchers must be installed. The larder must be situated near to but separate from the kitchen. It must be air-conditioned, well-lit and well-equipped. Types of equipments required in a kitchen vary with the activities carried out in a particular area of work. It ranges from simple pots and pans to sophisticated cooking ranges, steamers, ovens, grills and fryers. The list can be endless and it all depends on what kind of cooking and the type of food to be prepared. Quantity food equipments can be divided broadly into heat-producing equipment, cold-producing equipment, processing equipment. These can be further divided into 1. Heavy equipment, 2. Light equipment, 3. Miscellaneous equipment. The types of kitchen equipment are food preparation equipment, cooking equipment, holding, service and clearing equipment, washing and storing equipment. Heavy equipment ranges, heated either by gas or electricity, are common in today's food service. The menu dictates whether a heavy, medium or lightweight model is necessary. It should be selected on the basis of its capacity, versatility, and consistency of temperature, serviceability, and dependability. Griddles. Food services use either gas or electric griddles. They can be incorporated as part of the range or they may be standalone on a platform. Tilting pans or brat pans. One of the most versatile pieces of equipment in the kitchen is the tilting pan. It comes in various sizes. It can tilt up to 90 degrees. Ovens. There are different types of ovens to choose from: conventional, mechanical, convectional, combo or microwave. Convectional ovens. A typical convectional oven is heated by a lower heat source and an overhead source as well in an enclosed chamber. Transfer of heat occurs both by convection, of hot air moving in the chamber, and conduction, when pans or other equipment in it comes in contact with the hot surfaces. The deck oven is the most common. It consists of a stack of ovens built in decks or tiers, one on top of another. Mechanical ovens. The mechanical oven evolved from the conventional one. It has a mechanically moving interior that shifts food around to the different parts of the oven. One variety is the revolving tray or reel oven, which has trays that rotate in a circle around the oven, interior. Another variety uses a moving or traveling tray, which passes through a long oven. Different temperature ranges are possible within the long area traveled. Another type of mechanical oven is the conveyor oven. A moving belt or track carries an uncooked item through a tunnel containing heating elements, and the item emerges from the oven as a finished product. Food passes through as many as 3 different temperature zones for preheating, cooking and finishing. This oven is geared toward high-volume operation that has a peak demand. Microwave ovens. Microwaves are a form of electromagnetic energy intermediate in frequency and wavelength between radio and infrared waves. When microwaves penetrate food, molecular activity or movement takes place with the heat and the food, creating the friction that heats the food internally. Microwaves pass through glass and non-metallic materials, so these materials are used to hold foods being cooked in a microwave oven. Microwave cooking has not replaced conventional cooking in food service operations because they do not allow the production of large volumes of food. When it is appropriately used, the unit can bring food from a refrigerated or frozen state to a serviceable hot state in a few minutes, thus allowing operations to prepare foods on order. Convection ovens. Many conventional ovens have stagnant heat areas where heat does not move. If heat is moved around by forced convection, cooking is more rapid, less heat is needed. The convection oven is where heat is moved by a fan. Combo ovens. The combo oven gets its name because it cooks with dry heat and steam heat. It is energy efficient and can reduce food shrinkage in baking because moisture can be reintroduced. Fans circulate heat, which gives them the same advantage that conventional ovens have. They use gas or electricity.